Yumumba versus the Telugu Titans in round 2.
Nope, it isn't Ajit. It's going to be Amir Mohammad Zafar Danesh. Remember, he missed the last game. Phenomenal speed the man has. They have 3 wins in their last 5 games. Sitting at number 2 on the points table are Yumumba. They lost narrowly to the Telugu Titans the last time around. He doesn't have the bonus there. Looks for the bonus straight up. Will retreat empty-handed. Vijay Malik is looking really good here. Rinku tries a dangerous move, not against Vijay Malik.
I know what Vijay Malik is a good boy. Good boy he is.
And the players are executing it to perfection. Oh, finally they have him. Ankit, what a thigh hold there.
1 point.
Would you believe it? Jersey number 2 is a monster.
Trailing by 2, just 3 on the mat. Sombir completely lackadaisical. Sombir was sleep-beat.
This is very sloppy indeed. Sunil isn't happy. Telugu Titans are delighted.
The second best strike rate this season of 65. Been dealing in bonuses today, but a bonus will not be enough. There you go. Where has Ajit Chauhan gone?
Yumumba have been dealt with an all-out early on in the game.
The lowest assists are 124. That's through the entire season. What is the Yumumba defense doing tonight?
Right save, 2 points.
The Yumumba defense is the 4th best defense in the league this season. 11 tackle points per game. Finally, Ajit Chauhan changes direction. Fantastic kick of Krishandul in the right corner.
Oh, back on successful. And they have the big fish.
Right out.
Rough super tackle opportunity. Ajit comes in. Can he make this a 4-point hit? He's very capable. No! The Telugu Titans are saying we're going to tame you yet again. This is rough super tackle. Mangal, Key, Jankar. He does it! He does the unthinkable. This is a moment of big dent. This is a moment of merriment. He has cleaned the house. It's a 4-pointer. Ooh la la!
Now Manjeet is off the mat. Rohit Raghav has been brought in. And Bodo, he's... There you go, the Yumumba defense. Now, Rose. First touch. Was it Sombir? Was it Sunil?
I think it was Sunil.
You know, Ajit has the bonus there, but he's gone back again because Sunil has sent him back saying, I want a super rate from you. That is what he does. He has 2 plus the bonus.
He has the bonus. He has 2. He goes through.
2 points.
Oh, yes, 2 points. He may not have the bonus, but still has 2. What does it do? Now, this is do or die moment here. Throw a big kick. 10 seconds and under. He goes. Does he? Does he? No, he doesn't. If somebody comes, for that a chain has to come. Now he does. Now he goes for the dookie. Now he drowns.
He has to.
1 point terminated.
Vijay Malik and Ideas are very different. Both on one side. He takes one. He has back. What is Manjeet doing? Manjeet, you are sleeping.
I don't think even he knows it. And this is his 3rd consecutive Super 10. Manjeet goes in there, sacrifices himself. That is curtains for the hopes of a Yumumba victory. The best that Yumumba can hope for now is to come out of this game with 1 point by closing that gap down to 7. Unless, well, yes, they do come out of the game with a point.
And the defeat may not look as devastating, but actually it is. The scoreline doesn't do justice because Yumumba in the last 3-4 minutes were completely awful.
Fantastic game by the Telugu Titans. Superb win.